In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Yahoo search from Google Chrome. If your address bar keeps sending you to Yahoo and you want to switch back to your preferred search engine, this walkthrough will guide you through changing the default and removing Yahoo from the list so it doesn't come back. Start in Google Chrome with any page open, even if it shows Yahoo results. Look to the top right corner of the browser window for the three-dot menu icon. It's the vertical dots that open Chrome's main menu. Click that icon to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, choose Settings. This opens a new tab with Chrome's settings. On the left side, you'll see Categories, Find and select Search Engine. This is where Chrome controls what search services use when you type in the address bar, also called the Omnibox. On the search engine page, you'll likely see that the default search engine is currently set to Yahoo. Right below that, click Manage Search Engines and Site Search. This page lists all search engines Chrome knows about, and it's where you can change the default and clean up entries you don't want. First, change your default search engine. In the default search engine section, locate the provider you want to use, such as Google or another trusted option you prefer. Click the three dots to the right of that provider and choose Make Default. You'll see the default label update immediately, confirming the switch. Next, remove Yahoo so it doesn't get selected again by accident. In that same list, find Yahoo, click the three dots to the right of Yahoo and choose Remove from List. If you see multiple Yahoo entries, remove each one to keep your list tidy. Don't worry, this only removes it from Chrome's list of available search engines. It doesn't affect anything outside the browser. Once you've done that, you can close the Settings tab. Your changes are saved automatically. To confirm everything worked, open a new tab and type a word or phrase into the address bar. You should now see results from your newly selected default search engine instead of Yahoo. That's all there is to it. You used Chrome's menu to open settings, navigated to the search engine section, switched your default to the provider you prefer, and then removed Yahoo from the list for good measure. This quick cleanup ensures your searches go exactly where you want every time. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smoother, more consistent search experience in Chrome.